Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add echo, delay, reverb, and Gverb effects in Audacity to enhance your audio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll need to select the audio you want to apply effects to. Simply double-click on the audio track and this will select the entire waveform, making it ready for editing. This ensures that any effect you apply will cover the whole track uniformly. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This is where all of Audacity's powerful audio processing tools are located. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Delay and Reverb. You'll see several options pop up. For this tutorial, we'll start with Delay, so go ahead and click on it. Once the delay window opens, you'll see various parameters you can adjust. First, make sure the delay type is set to regular. This is the standard delay effect that works well for most audio projects. Below that, you'll notice a setting called Delay Level per Echo. Enter -8 here or use the slider to adjust it manually. This controls how loud each echo will be compared to the original sound. Next, set the delay time seconds to 0.25. This determines the gap between each echo. For the number of echoes, set it to 4. This will create 4 distinct repetitions of your audio. Once you've configured these settings, click Apply at the bottom to process the effect. Now we'll add another layer of depth by applying the echo effect. Click on Effect in the top toolbar again, hover over Delay and Reverb, and this time select Echo. In the Echo Settings window, locate the Delay Time Seconds field. You can adjust this by typing the exact number directly into the text field. For example, type 0.3. Below that, set the decay factor to 0.4. Keep in mind that you can adjust the delay time seconds based on your personal preferences and the type of audio you're working with. Before applying the effect permanently, click Preview to test how it sounds. This allows you to hear the changes in real time without committing to them. If it sounds good and matches what you're aiming for, then click Apply at the bottom to finalize the echo effect. Next, we'll add reverb to give your audio a sense of space and ambience. Click on Effect in the top toolbar once more, hover over Delay and Reverb and select Reverb. You'll see several parameters that control how the reverb sounds. Set your reverb settings by typing directly into the text field next to each parameter or by adjusting the slider. For room size, set it to 25. This simulates the size of the space where the sound is reflecting. Set pre-delay to 20 milliseconds. This is the brief gap before the reverb kicks in, adding realism. For reverberance, set it to 20%. This controls how long the reverb lasts. Finally, set damping to 60%. This parameter controls how quickly high frequencies fade in the reverb tail, creating a more natural sound. Again, click Preview to test the reverb effect. If it sounds good and complements your audio, then click Apply at the bottom to finalize the effect. And there you have it. You've successfully added delay, echo, and reverb effects to your audio in Audacity, giving it professional quality depth and dimension. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.